If you're looking for an alternative to some of the creamers that they have in the grocery store that are loaded with additives and fillers and honestly stuff I can't even pronounce, nor do I know what it is. So if you want a really clean recipe, let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to make this one. You will not be sorry. A creamer that is clean, delicious, thick, rich, all the good stuff. The best part, it's dairy-free, refined sugar-free, and even plant-based, so you can't go wrong. I do want to mention, you guys, I am using a Vitamix, which is a really high-power blender. If you do not have one, I would definitely recommend soaking your cashews in boiling water for at least 30 minutes. So I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup of raw cashews and 3 dates that are pitted. Now I double my recipe here, so the recipe that I'm giving you right now will yield about a cup plus or minus. Then I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Then we're going to use the cream of a can of full-fat coconut milk. I'm showing you what I do here. I put it in the fridge overnight. I take it out, I flip it upside down, and then you're going to open it from the bottom. And I'll show you in a second why. What you're going to be able to do is actually pour off the unsolidified part of the coconut milk, and what you're going to be left with is the full fat. Now you can do this using this part of the coconut milk as well. The only difference is you're just going to get a thicker, creamier consistency in your final product. So that's what we're working with here after we pour off the unsolidified coconut milk. So I'm going to go ahead and add in about a 1/4 cup of that. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. And then you're just going to add, a pinch or 2 of some sea salt. Then, my friends, it's just a matter of blending and getting it to the consistency that you want. Now, in the situation where maybe it's a little bit thick, like it was here for me, I just thinned it out with a little bit of coconut milk just to get it moving a little bit, and it will thicken up too from those cashews. So it takes about 60 seconds and then you will have your final product. And y'all, I had to do a little slow-mo, okay? Just look at this. This creamer is so darn good and it is so clean. You cannot get any better than this. And you can adjust the sweetness to your level. Obviously, you can add more or less dates to whatever your preferred sweetness is, but this stuff is dynamite. Now it's about this thin right now, thin or thick, however you want to look at it. Now when you place it in the refrigerator, it will thicken, so keep that in mind. But I'm telling you, you guys, it is beyond good. Now I didn't wait quite as long as I should have, so it's still a little on the thinner side, but you just simply add to your coffee. I usually add about 1 to 2 tablespoons for mine, and you have a delicious, frothy alternative to creamer that you know is good, is healthy, and you can feel really good about using it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with someone who needs it in their life, and I will see you guys in the next video, showing you how to do simple better with your health, habits, and home.